Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you what you must know for you to take photography as your main career. You can take photography as a full-time job and it will still be like paying your bills and giving you that desired money that you want. So far you are doing photography and so far you know what to do in this business of photography. So this is what this video is all about today. I'll not be giving you out things that you must know for you to take a photography, for you to like have a career in this photography and be successful out of it. On this channel, I am Vidi. I talk about photography, businesses on how you can grow your photography. So if that is what you want, please consider subscribing to this channel and also click on notification so that when I drop a video, you will be notified of it. And guys, if you're in this channel I'm building, please subscribe so that YouTube will take this video out to more persons out there and it will also benefit them. Alright, so let's dive into the business of the day. Just as it is in every profession, that is also how it is in photography. Therefore, I want you to know the basics. And when I mean the basics, I want you to know your technical skills, which is first your triangular exposure. And your triangular exposure has to do with your ISO, your aperture, and your shutter speed. This is what you should know first. Apart from these three things I've just said, also know your lighting. Apart from your lighting, please know your composition, know your color, and know different perspectives in photography. This is one thing that will set you apart. This is one thing that will give you that will make you to go far in photography, because when you know how all this thing works, definitely things will be easy for you when you are photographing in different settings or in different environments. On your own, try as much as possible to practice each of these basics of photography on a daily basis. Just put it upon yourself that from this day on this week, I will take this one, I will take this one, I will take this one, and before you know, you will master the basics in this photography, and before you know, photography you will take photography as your career and also as a full-time job. The next one I'm talking about is collaborating and networking with other creatives in this photography that you are doing. The truth is that you cannot succeed alone in this photography if you are taking everything upon yourself. You have to be collaborating and also network with other photographers and with other creatives, with other models, whether with other fashion, like with other fashion persons in this photography that align to the type of photography that you are doing. Because this is what will make you to go far. This is what will give you that experience working with other persons. And before you know, you will take photography as your main career. And second one, which I'll be talking about, which I know most of you will not be happy with it, is I want you to shoot for free. Yes, just that if you're starting out, I want you to shoot for free so that you can build your portfolio. Shoot with your friends, shoot with your family, and shoot with some models that align with the type of photography that you are doing. And when I'm saying shooting for free, I'm not saying you should shoot for free forever. You are just shooting for free for just some period of time, just for a period of time, just for you to have some good pictures on your portfolio to show to your clients. This is what you will do, because when you're just starting out, you don't have any, you don't the clients do not know you, neither you know any client. So you will start with your friends, with your colleague, and with your family to build your portfolio. And most of these pictures are free pictures. Okay. Our next point today I'll be talking about is building a portfolio. Not just building a portfolio, but building a portfolio that speaks to your ideal clients. Don't build a portfolio for everybody. Build a portfolio that speaks to your ideal client, that the client you want. That is the portfolio you are building. Okay, and try to structure your portfolio so that it will attract that desired client that you want. Not only structuring your portfolio, but also try as much as possible to optimize your portfolio so that it will be ranked in SEO when people are searching for this type of photography, or for this type of photography in any specific area that you are staying. This is what you must do. Building a portfolio is one major valuable skill that you must know how to do it very, very well. And guys, if you are finding this video helpful at this point, please subscribe to this channel and also click on notification. Okay. And the next one, which I'll be talking about today, which I think will be our last, is Practice, practice, and practice. This is something that you must do on a daily basis. This is something that you shouldn't get tired of doing. So far you want to take photography as your career, it's something that practice with different persons, practice with different style, with different composition, with different perspective, and in different environment. Keep practicing, because this is what will make you to be successful. This is what will make you to become professional, and this is what will even make you to love what you are doing, and before you know, you will become successful in this photography. So guys, I think this video has been so helpful to you. Please consider subscribing to this channel, also click on the notification bell. See you in my next video.